My name is Trevor Marriott. I work at Turf Systems here in Burlington. We specialize in more of a lawn care irrigation during the summer, and we do snow removal for the school board in the winter. Here we have a residential customer of ours that just had some landscaping done with a contractor that we use. So they just put down some new sod. So one of the first things I want to do before I fertilize the property is check to make sure that the sod's rooted pretty decently. So all I do is pick up the edge, and if the roots are into the subsoil pretty good, which they appear to be here, and they're rip off, so you can see all the new growth, it's good to go for fertilizer. Fertilizer, when I start, I want to make straight lines so I don't miss anything, or I can get the right amount of overlap. So on the edges, a nice straight edge, I'll use the guard to keep it off the sidewalk and the nice stone. And then I like to get a bit of a head start going into it. And it's okay to get the fertilizer in the garden. And when I fertilize, I can see my wheel marks in the grass. So I get the fertilizer all the way back over to where the wheel marks are. And I get the right amount of overlap, and then you don't end up with stripes. As long as you like being outdoors, you can push a spreader on a residential lawn. It's very easy. I knew I wanted to work outdoors. I didn't know what I wanted to do. So the year between high school and college, I played soccer in college, and the soccer coach at the local university knew that. So he got me into landscape horticulture at the Nova Scotia Agricultural College. So I went there and played soccer, and I always tell people I played soccer, but I got an education and got a career out of it. So it worked out well for me. I mean, I worked in Nova Scotia, in my hometown of Truro, and I managed a lawn care company there for a while while I was going to school. But because it was seasonal and I really wanted to move on with my life and have a family and a career, I moved to Ontario and got a full-time lawn care job as a service manager at another company. And I met my wife there. You know, we have a house, we have 2 beautiful kids, and to me life is perfect. All I'm missing is the white picket fence. The thing I like the most is seeing an employee succeed. So, you know, as soon as they come in, I've hired you and we grow together. Seeing them turn into a competent lawn care person or irrigation employee, that does it for me.